Sam here, looking at STX. G'day trader, Sam here, looking at STX stack. And I thought let's look at it from another perspective. When Bitcoin goes up, stack goes up because it's part of its protocol. So looking at historical data, and we did, as you can see here from a historical data, we had a rising wedge and then a breakdown. And we've got these Fibonacci with a non-log regular setup. And if we were to change this setup, look at it from a log setup, the 1.618 was a strong resistance, and then it just was a bit overextended, and the trend line was pretty clear. So looking at this and looking at how price behaved with Bitcoin, we're looking for similarities. So when Bitcoin dropped, so did STX, which is no surprise. But there was a bit of a delay when we looked at when Bitcoin started to go off. We saw STX start to go, but look when it started to go. Lay in the picture, I suppose it was an alt turn. As Bitcoin levels off, the alts kick in. And this chart below is basically STX against Bitcoin. So it's outperforming Bitcoin in a significant way. Now we hit our one. Based on the same scenario, we're doing a fib extension from the bottom to the top and back down again. We have this fib extension 1 and slightly above. And I'm looking at the golden ratio here as a potential target to pull back. And then look for support in this area as well. If fall, it could do better. But what is clear is when Bitcoin goes up, STX has been going up very well. And it's so far a fractal that represents this area here. You would like to agree, right? So I think we have something similar in the making. As Bitcoin, as you can see, Bitcoin's going up, pull back, very much, then a push to the upside. We see that. And then we see the STX kicking as well from there. So if we can use that as a leverage, a fractal, like similar here, having some mouse problems again. If you look at that area here, that's where STX also started to do the same. And when Bitcoin broke out, STX broke out much stronger. So there's that possibility that, yes, we can probably pull back a little bit, but I'm still looking for more. So it makes sense that we should look at this as a methodology of flipping from Bitcoin to STX and so on. Just compound our interest. So if we were to do this and look on, so this is a daily chart. Let's add in a few more elements to the chart and let's see what it gives us. Okay. Interesting enough, I don't see the moving. Oh, here we go. I don't see it. Damn it. Can't see all the moving averages. All right. So what I'll need to do, so we see that from the RSI on the daily, it's pretty extended, but there's no reason why it can't keep going. There is no reversal with the MACD. MACD is still strong, even though wave trend and so on. So the indicators are looking good. Let's get rid of that. Let's look at our moving averages. Moving averages were perfect. Bloody hell, missed that. Sometimes you just got to look at the charts on a regular basis. Look at that. Pull back into the moving averages level. This is the band. You can see the squeeze, triangle, and then popped up. Man, that was a good opportunity because what did it do? It went up very similar to Bitcoin, 58% against Bitcoin. So imagine that. Or we're going to look at other charts, but that is significant. Now, we also had this potential trend line. And yeah, we're looking at it from a strategy perspective. When to flip. At this point, I have stack, but I wish I bought more at this area here. I just didn't know. I wasn't keeping my eye on target. There you go. There's other things, low bolts that keep you occupied. So I wasn't looking at stacks that much. I was looking at IVL, IMX, and too late on some few other coins. So anyway, we see a number of things here. Previous high we've hit there. That was a previous high, and we're finding resistance. However, we've got this spike, and we might just outperform that previous high. So if we look at that, the liquidity, we might just hit that area, and that is a golden ratio. And so over there, I'll start flipping back to Bitcoin because it could probably drop. Or we could also look at shorting it. Yeah, shorting that and getting a real good thing. Is it going to come that low? Don't know. No idea. Just looking at the previous past, it did so. It dropped a lot. And what was the reason for that? Where is that thing? Damn it. Where do we get my Bitcoin back? All right, we just add our Bitcoin back into it, I suppose. There we go. Oh, damn it. We'll get rid of these ones now. Okay, so if we look at this, it's weird. I suppose here we had confluence with Bitcoin hitting its all-time high, and then the pullback. That pullback lines up, and as a delayed effect, when Bitcoin this time this one spiked up before Bitcoin went up. So interesting. Here, this spiked up after Bitcoin spiked up. So it's not the timing is not the same. However, never say, we're looking at these fib levels. And I had my other chart. What we did was this. And you can see the relevance with these fibs. 0.618 hasn't been hit yet. And I like to put the price there. Oh, that's percentage. Not good. Let's put regular. 54,400. That sounds familiar, guys, if you looked at my previous video. So we've got liquidity here. And we're breaking above it. However, the golden ratio on the 6-1 extension is significant. And obviously we can do it another way as well. From there to the all-time high. And yeah, so we hit the golden ratio there, pull back deep into the 0.382. Just noticed that. I didn't realize that was the case. Damn it. These two Fibonacci's will probably help us in the future. So the 618, 54,000, I think, is the target. And we had that also lined up with our fixed range volume. Actually, I think it was from here to there. It's not showing it, damn it. For God's sake. Here we are. Oh, so he's broken up. We had that move on our channel. Here, point added here. Point previous value area high, 54,000. 500. That is not much off here, 54,400 on 618. So the fact that we've got both of them in the same area at the same time gives you a strong case that, yes, we're looking to short. We said that was a key level, and we're looking for a pullback, and it's probably going to hit the 0.5 fib there, or the 0.618. One of these might just be doing the job. So a big pull and then back up for further. We might get a bit of a descending wedge of some sort. Who knows? I'm not going to go into there's a lot of guess. But that level is a level of interest. And we've been talking about, we're looking for highs, more highs, and then that's what we're looking for. All right? So there we go. We got the stack versus Bitcoin, and our stack chart here. Can we see it? I don't know if it's recording it because it's on another panel. Maybe not. All right, let's see if this comes in. I'm not sure if this comes in, but here we go. Previous all-time high, liquidity there. It took it out. So can it go higher? Probably not. Bit of a pullback. So it might just, on a small time frame, it's interesting. I don't think it will go high, much higher. We might take out this liquidity and then double top. So 1, 2, 3, and then down. Might go to this level here that we had. And if we can go further up, fine. And that's from the all-time previous high. So we've got a few scenario, guys. Take out that previous high, slightly liquidity, and then back down. And we're going to see what Bitcoin does at the time. Or we go for a further high. And then we'll look at it. So that was a nice, so far, looking for a short, right? I've got stacks, I'm hodling it. Maybe I'll get some profit, I don't know. But I'm looking to short stacks and Bitcoin. Maybe Ethereum might just do the same job. I'm going to leave that, guys. Please give me a like and share, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.